Compact sewing machines have become increasingly popular among beginners, hobbyists, students, and DIY enthusiasts who want portable, easy-to-use equipment for everyday sewing projects. While true handheld sewing machines are ideal for quick repairs, lightweight portable sewing machines offer greater versatility for home use.
Product number 1. Brother Sewing Machine XM2701. Lightweight machine with 27 stitches. The Brother XM2701 is one of the most popular beginner-friendly portable sewing machines on the market. Designed for home sewing, alterations, quilting, and crafting, it combines simplicity with enough versatility to tackle a wide range of projects. Featuring 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, blind hem, stretch, and auto-sized buttonhole options, it provides plenty of flexibility for new and experienced users alike. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin significantly reduce setup time, making sewing less frustrating for beginners. Despite its lightweight construction, the machine feels sturdy and well-built. The free arm design makes sewing sleeves, cuffs, children's clothing, and cylindrical fabrics much easier. Brother also includes several useful accessories, allowing users to begin sewing immediately without purchasing additional components. For anyone seeking an affordable, dependable, and highly versatile sewing machine, the XM2701 remains one of the best values available.
Product number 2. Ledden Seam Ripper 3 Pieces Ergonomic Grip. Although not a sewing machine, the Ledden Seam Ripper 3-piece set is one of the most useful accessories every sewer should own. Removing stitches cleanly is an unavoidable part of sewing, and these ergonomic seam rippers make that task much easier. The colorful handles feature comfortable ergonomic grips that reduce hand fatigue during extended use. Sharp stainless steel blades effortlessly cut threads, while the protective safety ball helps prevent accidental fabric damage. The 3-piece set offers excellent value, allowing users to keep seam rippers in multiple sewing kits or workstations. The compact size also makes them easy to carry when traveling. Whether you're correcting mistakes, altering garments, or working on quilting projects, these seam rippers perform consistently well. Although this isn't a sewing machine, it's an essential tool that complements any sewing setup.
Product number 3. Brother XM3700 Sewing Machine. 37 built-in stitches. The Brother XM3700 builds upon the success of the XM2701 by offering additional stitch options and accessories for users wanting greater creative flexibility. Featuring 37 built-in stitches, it supports everything from garment construction to decorative stitching and quilting. The machine includes 5 interchangeable sewing feet, expanding its capabilities for zipper installation, buttonholes, blind hems, and monogramming projects. The automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin system, and intuitive stitch selector make operation simple even for beginners. Its lightweight frame allows easy transportation while maintaining good stability during use. The free arm capability further improves versatility for smaller sewing projects involving sleeves, pant legs, and cuffs. Overall, the XM3700 delivers excellent performance while remaining affordable enough for hobbyists and first-time buyers.
Product number 4. Brother Sewing Machine GX37. 37 built-in stitches. The Brother GX37 offers many of the same strengths as the XM3700 while introducing several refinements that improve usability and versatility. It includes 37 built-in stitches suitable for everyday repairs, clothing construction, quilting, and decorative sewing. 6 included sewing feet increase project flexibility, while the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin system streamline setup. Beginners appreciate the clear stitch selection dial and user-friendly controls that simplify operation. The lightweight design makes it easy to move between rooms or transport to sewing classes. Despite its portability, the machine remains stable during operation and produces consistent stitch quality across various fabric types. For users seeking a reliable, feature-rich portable sewing machine without paying premium prices, the GX37 is one of the strongest contenders.
Product number 5. Singer MX60 Lightweight and Portable Sewing Machine. The Singer MX60 is designed specifically for beginners who want straightforward operation without sacrificing essential functionality. Featuring 6 built-in stitches that provide 57 stitch applications, it covers most basic sewing, mending, and crafting needs. Its compact, lightweight frame makes storage and transportation easy, while the included accessory kits and foot pedal allow users to begin sewing immediately. An integrated LED light improves visibility when working with dark fabrics or detailed stitching. The simple stitch selector and preset stitch lengths reduce the learning curve, making this an excellent first sewing machine. Although it lacks the advanced stitch variety found in Brother models, its reliable performance and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for casual home sewing. Pros: lightweight and portable, beginner-friendly, LED work light, included accessory kit, affordable price.
Product number 6. Singer M1500 Sewing Machine plus Accessory Kit. The Singer M1500 is another excellent beginner-oriented sewing machine, offering simplicity, reliability, and portability. Like the MX60, it features 6 built-in stitches, delivering 57 stitch applications, making it suitable for garment repairs, crafts, and light home sewing. The integrated LED lighting enhances workspace visibility, while the 4-step buttonhole function simplifies clothing construction projects. Its compact footprint allows convenient storage in apartments, dorm rooms, or craft spaces. The machine includes a useful accessory kit that helps new users get started immediately. Smooth operation, straightforward controls, and dependable stitch quality make it an attractive option for first-time sewists. While advanced users may eventually outgrow its capabilities, the M1500 remains one of the best affordable portable sewing machines for everyday projects.
For beginners, the Brother XM2701 offers the best balance of affordability and ease of use, while the Brother GX37 is an excellent upgrade with additional included accessories. Budget-conscious shoppers looking for straightforward functionality should also consider the Singer MX60 and Singer M1500.